Dave here with Accelerated Fastening. What I want to show you about the drill buddy is its adjustment. So, I had this adjusted at a good height because it's not hitting obstructions that are in the way. And I want to show you how to adjust it. So, the last thing you want is for the drill to be way up here, because then the cord can't turn on the drill. You need to have adjustment. You need to have the drill about here, and then you can go up, but then the cord can also turn on the drill. When I first got to this job site, my drill was that high, and I had to adjust it. Come here, let me show you how to adjust it. So I've already loosened all these screws, except for the last one here, on the 80-20. I think that's loosened. So now, see, this is adjustable. You put it wherever you want so that your drill is at a good spot, and then you just tighten it back up again, and then you're all set.